Jama are in this nature preserve, woody area or whatever. Look at the trees, guys. Look how tall the trees are. We don't even know where this goes. We have this way, or we have this way. Which way do you want to go? I say that way, deeper in.
Go that way and go there.
No, we can stick it together. That's how people get lost in the movies.
Hello guys, this is the forest.
Come on.
Ito yung ano, yung
There's Jama.
tingnan mo yung
Boo, it smells like...
God, I was talking but it's not video.
Boo, it smells like...
Guys, good morning. Lucy Boy is here.
Jama is there.
Sa farm ng yung 13 Street. Nagbablog lang
Come on.
tingnan mo yung mga kahoy.
Okay, so you guys are gonna see me. You guys can hear the nature. Hold on, let me... I forgot my tripod, but I hope we don't see a snake. We might see a snake, guys. It's really pretty. Look at the trees. Okay, guys, hold on. I'm gonna switch the camera around, all right? Okay, guys, so we're on the trail. You can see the trees, how pretty they are. And we're just walking around. And we just found this randomly. We didn't even know that this was back here. I don't even know how far it goes. But it looks like now we're going into a neighborhood, actually. And we'll see. I just gotta be careful there's no bears or snakes. But it looks like it ends. Look how pretty the trees are. See the trees? There's Jama TV, guys. Linda, I think it goes into a neighborhood.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
we can keep going. Oh, there's some water down there. Get out and exercise, guys. It's like the best thing to do right now. I feel like I'm in DC when I was back in those woods. Yeah, we exercised. Me and my sister. Shout out to my sisters. Oh, that's pretty. What was that? Guys, this reminds me when I used to play as a kid. We used to play in the woods like this and play around and stuff, like go hunting and all that different stuff. Now we're coming out of it. I swear there's like something in there. Boo, there's an animal in here.
What kind of animal?
I don't know. Oh, there it is. It's a bird.
Where?
Right there. It's like a crow.
No?
Yeah, there is.
Maybe it's a crocodile.
No. But it's,
Yeah, there you go.
it stinks really bad.
Yeah, because it's like a
That's a swamp.
stagnant swamp. You see the snake?
Uh-uh.
See that?
John and me don't do snakes.
Do you see?
What, it's a python?
No, it's a python. I'm running.
You're just gonna leave me here by myself? Do we keep going down this sidewalk or do the other side?
No, we go back down there. Because the car was there.
Yeah, but it's not gonna get towed. You can park where you want to park. So this is the neighborhood, guys. We're just gonna follow the road to the end and show you guys the pretty neighborhood. These are the houses. It's a really pretty little path. A police officer down there. And then it keeps going actually, the path. And it goes this way down the street. And then there's a big attention pond right there. There's Jama TV. And so we just came out of all of that, guys. And now we're gonna walk back through it all. And go back to the car. Back to the core. This definitely would be like a nice path to like ride bikes or something on, or even a skateboard or roller skate, or like if you want to take your dog for a walk at nighttime. Even at nighttime it would be scary because you see there's no lights. So you definitely would be by yourself in the dark. Me and John, we're trying to find somewhere to record. This is like perfect. You guys hear the cicadas? They're somewhere in the trees. So we just walked all the mud. I would get all muddy if I walked in that. And then we're on the sidewalk. There's Jama TV. I love nature, guys. Oh my gosh. In Ohio, when I can finally get Jama to Ohio, there are so many nature walks with like trees taller than this. Like literally taller than this. It's so, oh my gosh. I just walked in a spider web. Like the trees are so taller, literally taller than this. We're gonna go live, guys, right after this, so we can talk to you guys. And we are going back to where we came from, the fork in the road. So over there is where we came from. And now over here, we're going to the other side because we just came from that way. So now we're going to this end. This is probably not even a mile. This is probably like less than a mile. Now, if you walk the whole trail, that's probably like, I don't even know how long because I don't know how far it stretches. But I'm proud of myself for how far I came because I would have never been able to do this time last year. I was sitting in my car, or Jama's car, doing nothing and overweight. Okay, now we're coming up to a lake that I know for a fact has gators in it. For a fact. You see the lake, guys? It's really pretty. Really, really, really pretty lake. And then woods. Okay. I'm turning back, boo. And here's the lake. Here's the lake. You see how pretty it is? That's the lake. And we just walked all of this mush right here. I'm walking back. The sun is out. And then there's houses over there. And then we come back through the woods. It's hot in Florida, guys. Literally hot. Very, very, very hot. Here comes Jama TV, the queen of YouTube, one day. Say hi, queen of YouTube. I said say hi. Queens don't do that, they bow. You almost fell. There's the cicadas. Look at this plant, guys. Look how pretty this is. All the way up the tree to the top. All the way down. Now there's the big ones. And they'll come all the way down to the bottom. You see the bottom? And then they go and make their own little vine and they keep growing. So, I don't know if that's poison ivy or poison oak. And I just touched it. This would make a really pretty place to take like some prom pictures or something. It'd be really pretty to come in here. Oh, look at the little plant. And there's some booming. And then you see the sun right through the trees. Guys, I can't wait until we go to Disney and go to Animal Kingdom and we could do nature walks like this where you actually see animals. Because I don't see any animals except a bird. You can hear them, but you can't see them. And then you have this long branch that goes all the way over. And then you come back again. And then you have more trees and more trees and the sunset and Jama TV. And then a broken bush and more bushes and more bushes and more bushes. So you guys have all of that nature walk that we just did today, and I'm sweating already because how hot it is in Florida. Literally hot. Hot, hot, hot. Hot. And then a broken down branch. And then more of those plants that I showed you guys earlier that are here. And I think some of them are poison ivy actually. And palm bushes. These are called palm trees. They grow really tall. And then there's a house. Not my house. And then we go back to Jama's van that we used to do all our videos in. That you guys were like, why are you guys always in your van when we would go live? And it's just a cute little neighborhood. And this is called a cul-de-sac. When it's round like this, it's called a cul-de-sac. And then you have Jama's van. And then there's the whole neighborhood.
Yes.
It's a very quiet neighborhood if you want to live in it. I really like it. I think it's awesome.
See you.
And it's amazing. So we just walked all of that, guys. And you guys are gonna get more nature walks. This was a nature walk. That's gonna be the title of the video, nature walk. Nature walk. With the Jama TV. Now she's trying to take a thumbnail and stuff. It's really pretty. I hear cicadas. I'm trying to find one to show you guys. A cicada. Let's see if we can find one. There's a palm again. Sounds like we're in some rainforest or something, but there's no rain. The picture of us. The picture of us where you're... That's my thumbnail. There's Jama TV. You guys will like our thumbnail for today. It's a really nice thumbnail for today. And we'll end on this bush, guys. I love you so much, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn my notification bell. Help me get my watch time up. I'll see y'all later today. We're going live right now, right after this video. So I love you guys. Peace.